Hi, I'm Anna McPherson from Mirrawena Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 29 Mirrawena Avenue in Bangalee.
Situated a very quick stroll to the beach, this 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home situated on a 524 metre square allotment really is one to inspect.
Come on in and have a look.
This property really does have so much potential. My absolute favourite thing about it has to be the amount of natural light it lets in.
So guys, there you have it, 29 Mirrawena Avenue in Bangalee. If you're looking to downsize or buy that perfect beach house, give Anna and myself a call. Thanks for viewing, see you in the next one.